Assalamualaikum, you are watching Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'll show you how to set a wallpaper on your Android phone. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to subscribe and like the video. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Now, tap Wallpaper and Style or Wallpapers depending on your device. Here, you can choose any wallpaper from the available collections. If you want to use your own photo, scroll down and tap Find More. Now, from the bottom navigation bar, select My Account. Then tap Wallpaper. Now tap the plus button. Choose Files, Photos or Gallery depending on where your photo is saved. I'm choosing this photo. Once you have selected your photo, choose it from the wallpaper list. Then tap Apply. Now choose Set for both or Lock screen or Home screen. I'm choosing Set as both. And that's it. Your custom wallpaper has now been applied successfully. Thanks for watching.